Copyright 2014, Math, Diagnostics, and Intervention, all rights reserved. We're going to take a look at how to solve a level 6 equation, and we're going to do so by just taking a look at what a level 6 equation is. Let's suppose that we have the equation 3x minus 4 equals negative 4x plus 24. This is the first time we have seen variables on both sides of our equation. We have the 3x over here on the left side of the equation, and we have the negative 4x over here on the right side of the equation. That's a bit of a problem that we need to deal with. We need to get one of our variables to the other side of the equation, or we need to get rid of one of the variables on one side of our equation. So what I'm going to elect to do is I'm going to elect to get rid of the negative 4x. And in order to get rid of negative 4x, I'm going to add 4x. But whatever I do to one side of my equation, I must do to the other side of the equation. When we're done with that, we get 7x minus 4 equals 0 plus 24, or we could just write that as 24. We're now at a two-step equation, level 2 solving equations, and we know how to do that. Add 4 to both sides. 7x is equal to 28, level 1 equation, divide both sides by 7, and we get x is equal to 4. The new aspect of a level 6 equation is that we have variables on both sides of the equal sign. And we need to get rid of one of the variables on one of the sides. Electing to get rid of the negative 4x in this case, we added 4x to both sides and made ourselves a level 2 equation right here that we knew how to solve. Let's take a look at another level 6 equation, and this time let's say that we have c minus 8 equals 3c minus 14. Once again, we have a variable, in this case c, one on the left side of the equation, one on the right side of the equation. We need to get rid of one of those variables, so I'm going to elect to get rid of the 3c by subtracting 3c from both sides of the equation. When we do so, we get negative 2c minus 8 is equal to negative 14. Once again, we are at a level 2 two-step equation. Add 8 to both sides. Negative 2c is equal to negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 2. And we get c is equal to 3. What we did is we took a complicated looking problem that had a variable on both sides of the equal sign and turned it into an equation that we knew how to do, the two-step level 2 equation. If you take this one step at a time, you'll have no difficulty with the level 6 equations. Good luck.